Beautiful people, I hope that you are all doing great. I am doing great as well. As you can see that I am on the road going somewhere, and someone is driving. That is no one else than Rapido. Don't even think anyone. So I am just going here. Hyderabad, the main problem of Hyderabad is the traffic. Bro, this traffic is just killing all the people. The sun is above and you are getting up, you have a great breakfast and you want to go outside to buy something for yourself and going somewhere nice, and you see this is what. So this is the first time I came to Inorbit Mall. Whoever stays in Hyderabad, they will definitely know about it. Very common mall, and this is the first time in Hyderabad, so I came here whatever with my full expectations high. But after coming in, I started comparing this mall with Bangalore Mall. There will be some other good malls as well, but comparing to Bangalore Mall, this mall is not worthy to come actually. Really, I thought that this will be nice mall, like comparing to Bangalore or in Kolkata. I'm not picking it because it will be little bit cheap, but comparing to Bangalore, this mall is nothing actually. You will get some stores and food court and everything, but the thing is, whatever I came for, I didn't do anything. After coming here, I just bought only one shirt for something that I basically needed it, so I bought it, and also it cost me around 2000. Yeah, really, 2000. I'm not lying guys, 2000. This t-shirt is just 2000. Okay, so whatever expectations I had, I just lost after entering the mall. I thought that this mall will be nice and affordable and I can buy some other stuff with this, but basically after coming here, I felt that I don't have money. I am just broke. I just came here to just see the mall. That's it. Nothing to buy. Honestly guys, if you are from Kolkata or from some other states, there are, I know, please just visit this mall if you want to really eat or have some time or spend some time with your friends and then go back. Just don't buy anything from here, just don't do anything from here, because just don't do anything here actually, because there is nothing to do. And all these t-shirts and shirts, blazer I'm not talking, because blazer normally it will be expensive, but tops and t-shirts, kurtis are starting from 1000 guys. It's not fair, right? It's not fair. Like, I thought that it will be affordable, I can buy it now. It's like good, but then after seeing the prices, I felt I'm such a broke, I can't afford a t-shirt also. Like, this is what happens. So I just didn't do anything. I just kept that t-shirt. I came here to check some stuff, but also it's so expensive, so I'm like, okay guys, I don't want it. So actually this is a long video. I'm making like part-wise video. Second video is little bit different and unique, and you have never expected that what video it is, but I will edit it and then upload it in future, like not in future but sooner maybe. Yeah, so this video is just for telling you, if you are in Hyderabad, you can come, but don't buy anything. Bye bye, and please support me and share my videos, like my videos, and please comment down below that how you liked it, or you want some changes or anything, whatever you wish. And please subscribe to my channel, and stay happy and stay blessed. See you.